It's a beautiful spring day in Virginia. Mid-March is a lovely time to visit the state to see daffodils in bloom, forsythia, pink peach trees, pink Plum and Cherry trees, plum trees. There is just a plethora of trees that are in bloom at this time of year. The forsythia is especially vibrant and lovely. It's almost blinding, it's so yellow. In my garden, I have many different varieties of daffodils. Friends have given me daffodils over the years. I have some daffodils from my grandmother's collection. I love daffodils. It's one of my favorite spring blooms. It's so easy to grow. You can't kill a daffodil. My neighbor has a lovely little horsey. So sweet. Taking in the morning sun. We have a young plum tree, which I hope we will have plums this year. There is another projected frost and freeze coming, so it may kill all of the peach and plum tree produce for next year.